How often do we see our food picked out of the ground? We rarely have time to prepare fresh meals, let alone spend a morning or an afternoon taking our time to pick, cook, and eat together.
I think the thing that I most liked about your cookery day was that there was no measurements. And that really hit a big thing with me, because I thought, that would be really nice for me to be so instinctual all the time.
So when I work with kitchen therapy, I am trying to engage the first brain, which is in the tummy. That's the intuitive brain. And that is the brain that every other living creature shares with me.
I liked learning about the layering of the food. I mean, I had some idea because I used to watch my nan, and she would, cook on an old Rayburn, which I thought was very similar to the cooking of the Creuset pot, actually.
Being engaged in that process of everyone doing their personal bit, and none of us could have done anything without that earth. It makes me feel really emotional because it's such an exquisite experience to be part of.
So probably it's nice to be free within the cooking if you can't be free in anything else.
And inviting those families to go and explore around that farm where so much was growing, to see all those pumpkins, and thinking about the people that had worked out which were the best varieties to cook for which different types of recipes, just gives you that feeling of what is being passed on and what nature is giving over.
Kind of ignited a new energy in me to want to sort of do it.